job.
You're doing it fast. That's how you gotta tell fast.
Lola, are you gonna go do it?
Okay, put your hands down. Ready?
She's watching the video.
Tristan, are you gonna do it?
Get your hands down.
As soon as Bridget's done.
Okay, one more, and then Tristan's turn. Go. Whoa!
Good job, sis.
Okay, Tristan's turn. Jump. Put your hands down. Don't lean back. Jump up and lean back.
Watch your
Up,
hands.
Lean back.
Yeah, good job, bud.
It's better if I didn't come do it again. Bridget did like 5 in a row.
Lola, are you gonna do it?
Tristan. Tristan. Okay. Up and back. Look. Don't look this way. Look this way. Okay. Good.
Good job, T. Lola, your turn. Go do it. Go do it for Daddy. Losie, can you go do a flip? Go do a flip for Dad.
Oh, it's broken.
Good.
Good job, guys. Lola, are you gonna do it?
You're gonna go again? Tristan? Put your hands down. Get it? Put your hands down. Okay, jump up high, and then throw your head back, and put your hand down. Go. Don't twist.
Straight back.
Straight back. Don't twist. Keep your legs straight. Legs straight. Don't get hit in the head again. Jump back. No, you gotta jump back. Come on. Jump back. I'm gonna catch you.